Well, hi everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and build update number 2 of Revell's 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400. As you can see, we were in paint. So let me move some of the stuff out of the way here and we'll talk about everything. I am very happy. This is, I think, the best session I've ever had in a paint booth. Not only for how things painted, but how my colors mixed too. So this is that the dark yellow that I was talking about. Let me pull you in here. Oh, whoa, there we go. The dark yellow I was talking about, and I think that's going to be the perfect tan color for this build. I did that, and the door panels, it's starting to really show some life in those door panels, and you can see those details that I was talking about now. I mean, geez, oh Pete, are they nice in here. So I can't wait to get some clear quick shine on this and then start detailing these out. This is going to be a blast. Same with the dashboard. I mean, really good detail for what detail these dashes had. Well, we should do pretty decent with these. Then I did some pre-shading with the Mobius 0.2 millimeter. And like I said, this is what I was looking for. This is exactly what I was looking for the leather seats. This is only stage 2. I did the black, and then I did the dark yellow. We'll clear or quick shine this, and then we'll hit this with the brown and wipe that off, the brown panel liner, and that's going to look just like the leather seats. Notice I didn't do any pre-shading around here where the vinyl is. So we'll quick shine that, we'll leave that go, but we'll work the brown out on the seats themselves. Let me spin around here real quick, grab that back seat. It was so nice that this wasn't attached because I was able to roll all the way off the back here with the pre-shading. And I'm doing a video on how I'm doing my seats, so you'll be able to watch it from pre-shading to painting to my panel lining and the whole 9 yards. So that video will be out once these are done. So next on the chopping block is my Pontiac engine blue. And man, I'm telling you, that is Pontiac engine blue right there. I messed around for about 20 minutes just getting the color exactly where I wanted it, because I mean, there's no other car that has such a blast of color in the engine like that, you know, other than the reds and stuff like that. But that Pontiac blue sure does jump out, and I am going to quick shine this before I even drill it out. So, because this would be a shiny paint. And what I did is I mixed 1 part of, that's flat aluminum. I'm sorry, 2 parts of chrome silver, the X11, to 1 part of X14 sky blue. And believe it or not, I started with thinking I was going to need more blue than silver, and I ended up scrapping that whole and then started with the silver and went 2 parts of this, literally 2 pipettes full of this. I made way more than I'm ever going to need, to 1 pipette of the X14, thinned it out and everything, and yeah, buddy, that's a win. And I'm really glad that that's not chrome on the bottom now. So I was kind of debating whether or not I should leave that to chrome, and I'm glad that the left side of the brain told the right side of the brain what to do on that one. And now for just really, I'm pumped up big time on this one. This is a mix of titanium gold to copper XF6 to X31. I can't even tell you the mix because I just kept adding copper to, I had a jar that was about 2/3 of the way down on the titanium gold because I use this so much that I wanted to keep one in hand because I was having a hard time getting this. But now that I can get it freely, I thought I'm going to mix up a ton of this because I love that James Rockford color. So I just mixed Rockford Gold. and what I did is I just kept adding this to this and mixing it, and I even mixed it every time I did it. I mixed it with the Badger, just so I knew I had a full mix and wouldn't get any weird things happening halfway through the spray. But I just kept going until I got the right color, and then I thinned it out for the airbrush. But this is unthinned and ready for if I have to hand paint anything. So I'll keep that. You will see a Roadster this color too. I can guarantee it down the road sometime. But let's check it out. There is the Rockford Gold. And you guys are all like, oh, come on, dude. Show me the body. Check it out. Let me pull this back again. There we go. And I'm telling you, that is Rockford Files Gold right there. Not a blemish, one on the whole spray. Everything went perfect today. I can't be any happier. We're going to do 2 coats of quick shine over top of this, just to have 2 coats of quick shine over top of this before we do any decals. And again, the decals are just going to be the scripting and the Pontiac and the little chicken up front. But this is the way it's going to be. I'll do the quick shine, and then I'll use Tamiya's polish to polish the quick shine to just a medium luster. If it was a film car, it'd probably be pretty close to this dull, you know, when they were filming, because they don't want to see the reflection of the cameras and things like that in there. But I'm going to go where I'm going to have a little bit of reflection. But buddy, that's a win in my book. So I got that. Let me move that out. We just got out of spray maybe an hour ago. We did flat black underneath. What I'll do is I'll quick shine the framework here and make that the semigloss. We'll paint the tank the flat aluminum, and then I'll do all the hoses and everything. Since this already has them in there, I'm not going to run them. So I'll Hollywood the brake lines coming off, and I'll Hollywood the fuel line coming back. Then I'll show you what I'm talking about when we go to that update. I remember to do the top side this time, so I didn't have to go back. And then I also remembered to do the bottom side on here because, like, I forget so many times, but that does show up big time. So there we go with that. I'm taking this as a huge win for the day. My body, or the interior, I kind of speckled it a little bit with flat black, just to see what it'd do, and then I painted over top of that. I still got to paint my rubber and the gas pedal black, but that's going to look so nice with the center column. Let me spin and grab that. With the center column in there, what I'll do is I'll leave this to flat, semi-gloss this, and it'll really show like that's carpet and this is the vinyl, because when I quick shine this, it will darken up just a smidge. I'll quick shine across the back here, leaving this that cardboard that they had in there pretty much is all that was, like a masonite. But there we go. And with that, this is a quick update, but I had to show you in paint before I moved forward. So, oh, the semi-gloss came out really smooth today. I mean, everything sprayed. Those Mobius airbrushes from Gallery. This, I used the 0.2 on everything small. I used the 0.3 on the body and the hood and things like that. But both of them I used were the Mobius, the 0.2 millimeter and the 0.3 millimeter, and they flawless. Like I said, I was able to appreciate this with that 0.2 millimeter before I went over the top of it with the brown. And to be able to get that tight in those lines with my shaky dang hands says a lot for the airbrush and not just me. So those are some good airbrushes. And thank you again, Gallery, for letting me try them out. But on this note, this is a quick one. I'm going to let you go. I just had to show you because I'm so tickled about how everything came out. Especially look at how awesome that's going to look in there. So there we go. I'll let you go. Y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow. And thanks again for watching.